again, this is Kristina from Moses Nutrition, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite healthy snacks. It's called tzatziki or cucumber yogurt, and all you need for this is some kind of yogurt. It can be Greek yogurt, sheep's, cow, goat, doesn't really matter what kind of yogurt, or kefir, anything like that. You need some lemon, you need cucumber, garlic, dill, and salt and pepper, and that's all you need. So I'm going to start by skinning the cucumber, and this is because of those lectins that you might have heard me talk about or you might have read on our website. There are certain proteins that are found in vegetables called lectins, and they're mostly in the skins and seeds. So what you want to do is skin and de-seed certain things like cucumber and zucchini. So you just remove the skin, and I'm going to remove most of the seeds, and not even going to be that thorough because I'm not lectin sensitive. But if you are, I do want you to remove them. Also, just skinning and de-seeding makes this dish taste better. And it doesn't take that long, so why not do it? So now you just want to cut the cucumber into thin slices, and please make sure that you hold the knife properly and curl your fingers in. I'm just using a little bowl because I'm not making that much. This stores really well, so if you want to use a whole cucumber and have more for later, you can just store it in the fridge. It's wonderful with slices of carrot, or if you eat corn chips, something like that. It's really nice with that. Then you're just going to take your, in this case, Greek yogurt, but you can take any kind of yogurt. And you're going to use quite a bit of dill. Salt to taste. My husband loves salt, so he will literally put so much salt on that you can't taste anything but salt. So needless to say, he and I usually can't eat off of the same plate. Garlic is another thing that you're going to use here. With this much, I like it garlicky, so I'm going to use probably one large and one small little clove here, but you can use as much or as little as you want to taste. It's really up to you and how many people you're going to be around that day. Maybe if you're going to a busy workplace, use a little less garlic. And then add a little bit of lemon here. Add a little bit of a zesty flavor. This is super healthy, by the way, and it is mostly raw vegetable, but you can also use this as a salad dressing if you want to add a little olive oil to it or anything. And it's just a really delicious way to kind of add flavor or just have a quick snack. And then you just mix it up. The finer that you can slice the cucumber, the better this dish turns out. And that's it. And like I said, if you want to use this as like a salad dressing, you can just thin it out with some olive oil, add a little bit more yogurt or anything like that. It's a very simple dish, and it's really nutritious. So I do recommend adding this if you want. If you like the ingredients and it sounds good to you, add it as part of the things that you try to force feed your kids, or in my case, your husband. And, you know, have it as one more option of a healthy thing to make. And I hope you enjoy it.